Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Reshma here, and today I'm going to speak on the uses and benefits of this amazing rose quartz roller. So keep watching the video,
What
guys.
you have to do is you have to keep this rose quartz roller in freezer, and you can use it as a AM or PM routine as per your convenience. So when it comes to benefit, you can use any moisturizer or any serums. Just take just a few and of it, rub it and apply on your face. The benefits of this roller, it will make your skin feel better. This crystal emits a vibration that relieves stress. It also reduces redness and encourages cell regeneration. It will assist with puffiness. This roller works in tandem with the lymphatic drainage massage. It also helps in raising blood circulation and allowing oxygen to penetrate deep into your skin folds. Well, it also removes dark circles. This will also help to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, scars, leaving the skin smooth and radiant. When it comes to the usage part, you have to use this roller in an upward direction. You have to be very careful when you are doing on the eye area. Trust me guys, this jade roller, rose quartz jade rollers works amazing for dark circles and for skin healing too. I believe this video has been really helpful for those who don't know about this face roller. Trust me guys, it's a must have in your vanity. If you have found this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon too.